So go out there and ask people. But the key is, if you're calling somebody, the key, I guess I should say, is call. Don't be a bitch and text somebody and ask if you can hold their house open. They don't know you. Call them, pick up the phone. Hey, my name's Kyle. I'm at EXP. I saw you got a beautiful listing over at 123 Main Street. Do you have any offers on the table? No? Oh, okay. Well, are you going to be holding that house open this weekend? No? Okay. Well, hey, I'd love the opportunity to hold the house open for you. What I typically do when I hold a house open for another agent is, the second the open house is done, I'll send you a really detailed report. I'll let you know how many people showed up, the positives, the negatives, any recommendations, and people's opinion on the price, so that you can take that information back to your seller in case you might need a price reduction on it. How does that sound? Add value. Like, why should I let you hold my listing open? If you're just like, hey, can I hold your listing open Sunday 1 to 4? No. Why should I? Right? But if you give me a reason, give me a benefit, the fact that I could have a report that I could take back to my seller, now we're talking, right? Now you're adding some value. So that's the key. If you don't have your own listings, ask the other agent, and get them on board with it, because it also is super important. I mean, we track all of our open house sign-ins. More than 50% of them come from, and at least in San Diego, from Zillow and Redfin. And the only way to get your open houses on those websites is if the listing agent puts them there, right? You cannot put your listings or somebody else's listings on those websites for open house. So you need them to be your friend. You need to push them, force them. If it's Thursday rolls around and it's not on those sites, hey, I just want to make sure you add the open house to the MLS so it shows up on Zillow and Redfin. Bug them, because that's where 50% of your traffic's going to come from. But ask people and build value around why they should let you do it.
Whissel Realty has been ranked the #1 real estate team in San Diego County 3 years in a row now, per the Wall Street Journal. I want to give you a behind-the-scenes look at the way we do things around here to help our agents make more money in less time and have a good time doing it. Welcome to the Whissel Way.